Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to increase your gig performance on Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is to go into your account and select on my business page, then click on gigs. Now once you set your gigs, or once you've created your gigs, all you have to do is to play the game of consistency in the long run. What I mean is that you have to stay online. You have to even if you are going to sleep, just it's best for you to leave your account on, or your laptop or your PC on, till probably the next morning, or and just continue, because the higher uh the higher you are, or the longer you are online, you tend to have more um messages from prospective buyers and clients. So that's just that's how to actually stay, or how to increase your chances of getting um good buyers on Fiverr. So another method to really optimize your gig functionality is to use what I call the Fiverr quick view extension. Not exactly what I call, but that's the name. Fiverr quick view extension. So this helps you streamline the keywords for your particular niche. So all you have to do is to go to Chrome Web Store, search for this Fiverr quick view, add it to your Chrome, go back to your Fiverr page. Now let's assume I'm in the let me say I'm in the writing niche. So all I have to do is to switch my profile to buying, and then um go to the writing niche and click on writing, and then just choose a sub niche I'm really interested in. So let's assume I do more of website content writing. All I have to do is to click on the website content, then I would see the various gigs. So since I have my Fiverr quick view pre-installed in my extension, all I have to do is wait a little, and then it should come up with all the keywords related to this particular type of niche. So for you now, good, it has brought the, so each ranking um results here, it has done a keyword analysis to know the keywords that are really standing out for each of these gigs. So you can go, but you can also copy each of these, and then um add them to your profile, so that you will also have a greater chance of getting noticed with your gig description. So these are the top focus keyword, and this is just it: copywriting, website content, website copywriting. So these are the outstanding keyword for this particular niche. So once you are creating your own uh your your gig, you can also include all of this into your description, and you would actually stand out. So guys, um this is how to actually increase your gig visibility to the Fiverr clients. And if you've enjoyed this video, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel for more informational content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day.